Today we are using the Pythagorean Theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to help us find the length of a diagonal line. Now I have 2 points on this graph right here. And if I go ahead and connect them, I will see that it makes a diagonal line. We also know that our hypotenuse, our c, in our equation and in our right triangle is that diagonal line. So what I'm going to do is visually make the right triangle to help me. Now you'll see the steps on the side of the video. So first I'm going to draw the right triangle, and I'm going to count as I do it. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and what I'm counting is the units. Okay, so I've got 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and just label that so I don't forget. Then I'm going to count how many units over I need to go to connect to the other dot. 1, 2, 3 units. I didn't label that too so I don't forget. Now I remembered that my A is my smallest leg, my shortest leg, and my smallest number, so I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 in the A spot. Can't forget that squared. Now I know the B is my other leg, so I go ahead and put 4 squared. I don't know what that diagonal line is, that hypotenuse, and that's my C, so I put C squared. I'm going to draw my line down my equal sign to help me stay nice and organized. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. Equals C squared because I didn't do anything with that yet. Now I'm going to do what the equation tells me to do again, which is 9 plus 16, which is 25. Equals C squared because again, I didn't do anything yet. Now I need to take the square root because I have C squared, but I want just this C. I want just that plain old C. So I need to find the square root. So what times itself equals 25? And that's 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. So I know the length of my diagonal line is 5. And that's how you find the length of a diagonal line on a graph.